Hello, and welcome to the Open Virtual Film Project. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Selection Tools widget. To get to the tool, open the OVFP plugin and select the Selection Tools button. Inside of this widget, you'll have various different functions for selecting different objects in your scene. And as you're working with any of them, in the top right-hand corner, there's a drop-down that allows you to change the method of selection from replacing your current selection, adding to your current selection, or removing from your current selection. Stepping through them, I can select objects by name. So if I wanted to select everything with door in the name, type door on the right-hand side, click select door, everything with door is selected. Then I can select objects by class. So if I wanted to select everything that was one of these blueprint light chandelier small and click by class, I'll select all of those objects. I can select objects by light type, directional spotlights, point lights, rectangular lights, skylights, or all of them. And you see it grabbed my directional light and my skylight. If I select an object and click Match as Selected, it'll select all objects that match that selection. If it's a static mesh, it'll select everything that uses that static mesh. Same thing with a skeletal mesh. And if it's a blueprint, it'll select all other blueprints of that type in the scene. And if I make multiple selections, it will match all of the selected objects. I can select all static meshes, all skeletal meshes, and all cameras, as well as being able to clear my selection. On the right-hand side of this menu are some options for using actor tags. So if I were to add a known actor tag that I've used in the scene, say door01, I can select by tag, and it selects all of the objects with that tag. If I wanted to tag both of these objects as people, I can select both of them, type people, add tag. You'll see in the details panel, they've gotten an actor tag that is people. So now I can select those objects by tag. I can also remove the tag people from those objects, as well as clear all tags that that object has, and get any tags associated with my current selection. So if I select everything in the scene, click Get Tags, you might have to double click this array elements, and you can see I have people and door01 as my tags. If I were to just select the person and get tags, you'll see that people is the only tag associated with my current selection. The last thing this menu allows me to do is create predefined selection sets. So if I make a selection, give it a name, and hit plus here, you'll see I've got this people selection set. If I click select, it'll select those objects. This door being selected here is just a visual bug, so you can ignore it. If I decide for some reason that this male figure is no longer a people, I can deselect him, where I only have one object selected, and click update. So now when I select my people, it only selects the female figure in the background. I can also delete my selection sets and rename them. Do the same thing for selecting all of my door objects and add a door selection set. Then I'd be able to select between the two of them. Again, this yellow highlighting around the objects that are not selected is a visual bug. It does not actually affect what you have selected. So if I were to hide all of the objects that are selected, you'll see that the woman figure in the background wasn't selected by my door selection tag, but she is still highlighted. To clear the visual bug, select everything and hit escape. And anything that had that visual bug is now reset back to normal. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.